Hey lovelies, welcome back to Buzzling Bee Cakes. If you're new here, I'm glad you stopped by. And for my returning Buzzling Bee families, thank you for always tuning in. Today, we are making something super delicious, corned beef sausages. Perfectly savory, flaky, and ready to wow your taste buds. Let's get started. Let's start with the filling. I sauteed some onions in a little oil until fragrant, then added my Scotch bonnet pepper. Let them cook just enough to release their amazing aroma. I'm using 200 grams of corned beef. I added that, mixed it all together until well combined. I added a little salt. Give this to cook for a few minutes. Then transfer to a plate and allow to cool before using. Next, let's prep our dough. I've got my flour. I added milk flavour, nutmeg. Mixed them together. Then I added margarine. I mixed it until well combined. Then I added egg and just enough water to bring it together into a smooth soft dough. Now our dough is ready. Cut it into 6 equal portions. Flatten each piece, and at one side of the flattened dough, cut different strips. Make sure you cut it into the center of the dough, not to the end. Place a spoonful of the corned beef mixture at the other end and fold the dough over the filling and seal the edges well with egg. You can shape them into small sausages or mini pies if you don't want this method, whichever you prefer. So I'm doing that method again.
Slice a perfect scene. Join the fun, take a bite. Bustling bee cakes every night. Cookies, cakes, and pies galore. Bustling bee cakes we adore.
Finally, brush them with an egg wash for that golden shiny finish. Pop them in the preheated oven at 180 degrees C for about 25 minutes or until golden brown and flaky. And just like that, our corned beef sausages are ready. Flaky, soft, perfect for breakfast, snacks, or even lunch. Don't forget to try this recipe at home and let me know what you think in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a tasty recipe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.